This is the Champagne Snowball. What is the crack? Happy holidays, everyone. This is the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. In this series, we have special guests, we have cocktails, we have prizes to be won. Check the description below for that.
Perfect! Where's the perfect?
In today's episode, we have the Champagne Snowball. This is another Christmas cocktail recipe highly rated on the Difford's Guide. So, I've never tasted it before, so I'm gonna make it. I'll let you know what I think. All right, this recipe is really easy to make as long as you've got all your ingredients ready in front of you to go. Making it straight into the glass, so no washing up of any shakers or mixing glasses. This is a good one. So you're gonna start off with 15 mils or half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. You're then gonna add just a bar spoon of simple syrup. You're then gonna go 1 ounce or 30 mils of a Fino sherry. Then I'm gonna go 60 mils or 2 ounces of Advocaat. Just remember, your granny's always got a bottle in the cupboard. And then you're just gonna top this up with some sparkling champagne or Prosecco, whatever you've got in the house. I'm not gonna open a big massive bottle right now because I need a little bit of champagne. Prosecco, whatever it's called. And just pour it slowly because there's sugar and sparkling usually just go everywhere. Give it a little stir to combine everything. Garnish for this is just a little sprinkling of freshly grated nutmeg. There you go, folks, the Champagne Snowball. Let's give this a little sip, see what's going on inside the glass. Oof. There is a hell of a lot going on in this cocktail. There's so many different flavors coming through. What's really surprising is that Fino sherry is kind of the main flavor component that I'm getting. It's delicious. There's heaps going on. The Fino sherry is giving it a bit of a nutty tang, you'd say. It's probably the tang coming from the lime juice, to be honest. And there's a lot of vanilla flavor coming from the Advocaat. That lime juice kind of takes away from the creaminess, and I guess the Prosecco as well takes away from the creaminess of the Advocaat. You think by looking at it, that's gonna be pretty creamy, but it's not. That's an interesting one. Give us a go, folks. Let me know what you think when you taste this one. Champagne Snowball. It's kind of a mad one, I'm not gonna lie.